When the world around you is shaking and you feel out of control, remember, God is your refuge. Be still and let Him fight your battle today. When the world around you is shaking and the storms of life are raging, it is easy to feel small. But hear this word today. You do not have to fight this battle alone. God is your refuge and your strength. He is an ever-present help in times of trouble. Even if the mountains fall into the heart of the sea, do not be afraid. The Lord Almighty is with you. Be still and know that He is God. Surrender your control to Him right now. Let His stillness quiet your mind. Lord Jesus, we invite your still, small voice to calm the storm in their heart. Speak peace to their anxious thoughts. Be their fortress today. Wrap them in your perfect peace and let them know you are in control.
The commander of heaven's army stands by our side. The God of Jacob is the fortress where we hide.
There's a river of joy in the city of our King, the holy dwelling place where the angels sing.
God is right within her. She will never fall. At the break of dawn, He will answer when we call. Nations are in uproar, kingdoms rise and fade, but He just lifts His voice and the earth melts away. Come and see the wonders that His hands have done. He breaks the bow and shatters spears. The battle is won. Be still and know that I am the Lord, exalted in the nations, forever adored. The commander of heaven's army stands by our side. The God of Jacob is the fortress where we hide. Be still and know He is our peace.
The Lord is my shelter, my unending strength, a very present help when the shadows grow in length. Even if the earth gives way, I will have no fear. Though the mountains fall into the sea, I know that He is near. Be still and know that I am the Lord, exalted in the nations, forever adored. The commander of heaven's armies stands by our side. The God of Jacob is the fortress where we hide.
Subscribe to Christ Brings Peace. Be still and let Him fight your battle today. God bless you.